In late October 2024, military analysts were stunned when Israeli F-35I Adir fighters accomplished what no American F-35s had ever done. They penetrated one of the world's most advanced air defense networks and returned completely unscathed. The event confirmed something experts had long suspected. Israel's version of the F-35 is not just a fighter jet, it's a thinking machine built for tomorrow's warfare. How Israel got its own smart F-35. While the F-35 Lightning II is designed and built by the United States and Lockheed Martin, Israel is the only nation that received special permission to modify the aircraft's core systems. This is unprecedented. Normally, Lockheed does not allow any foreign partner to alter the F-35's central computer or electronic warfare suite to maintain secrecy and standardization. But Israel convinced Washington to make an exception, allowing its engineers to rebuild parts of the aircraft's electronic brain and install their own intelligence software. This modification transformed the F-35I Adir, Hebrew for Mighty One, into a unique platform optimized for the Middle East's complex threat environment. Through these changes, Israel essentially created a fighter that doesn't just react to threats, it predicts and adapts to them in real time. Artificial intelligence at the core. Standard F-35s rely on pre-programmed responses. They detect threats, consult a database, and deploy countermeasures. Israel's F-35Is, however, are equipped with adaptive artificial intelligence that learns from every mission. The system studies radar signatures, communications, and enemy tactics to predict how defenses will evolve and to outthink them before they react. Even more impressive, every Israeli F-35 shares what it learns with the rest of the fleet. When one jet encounters a new radar system or missile type, that knowledge is instantly distributed to all Israeli F-35s. It's a collective learning network, a shared brain that grows smarter after every mission. The plug-and-play advantage. Another major difference is Israel's modular computer architecture. While most F-35s are locked into fixed U.S. software that can take months or years to update, the Israeli F-35I can integrate new sensors, algorithms, or weapons overnight. This plug-and-play design gives Israel the flexibility to evolve its fleet rapidly in response to regional threats. If Israeli engineers develop a new electronic warfare program or AI enhancement, they can upload it to the entire fleet almost immediately. This means the F-35Is are constantly improving, an ability unmatched by any other air force in the world. Intelligent electronic warfare. At the heart of the F-35I's edge is its modified BAE Systems ASQ-239 electronic warfare suite. Israel replaced and expanded portions of this system with its own adaptive electronic warfare package. Unlike the standard version, the Israeli system can learn from radar patterns, predict how enemy defenses will adapt, and deploy evolving countermeasures. In combat, this predictive capability has proven decisive. Israeli pilots can penetrate airspaces protected by advanced Russian-made S-300 and S-400 missile systems, defenses that would challenge even American pilots, because their aircraft anticipate and neutralize threats before they activate. Smarter weapons and real-time adaptation. Israel has also customized the F-35's weapons integration. The jets carry learning munitions, such as the Spice series of precision-guided bombs and the Python 5 missile. These weapons can alter their flight paths mid-air based on real-time data, adapting to enemy maneuvers or countermeasures. The result is unprecedented targeting accuracy, even in heavily defended environments. During missions, the aircraft's AI analyzes threat behavior, chooses the best weapons and attack angles, and can even coordinate multiple weapons to strike a target simultaneously from different directions. This gives Israeli pilots a decisive edge in dynamic combat scenarios. Independent maintenance and local innovation. Another major distinction lies in maintenance and logistics.
While other partner nations must send their F-35s to Lockheed-approved facilities for deep maintenance, Israel has built its own fully capable maintenance and testing centers at Nevatim Air Base. This independence ensures that Israel's fleet remains mission-ready even during regional crises, without waiting for overseas approvals. These facilities also act as research hubs. Engineers can test new AI algorithms, weapons integrations, and sensor systems directly on a dedicated testbed aircraft, the only one of its kind outside the United States. This setup allows Israel to continuously innovate and refine its F-35 technology. The networked future of warfare. Perhaps the most groundbreaking aspect of Israel's F-35I Adir is its integration into the nation's broader command, control, communications, and computing C4 network. The jets exchange battlefield intelligence not only with each other, but also with Israel's F-15s, F-16s, naval systems, and missile defense platforms like Iron Dome. This interconnected web of systems allows every part of Israel's defense network to benefit from what the F-35 learns in combat. Information from one mission strengthens the entire military ecosystem, a true example of networked intelligence. Conclusion: the world's first thinking fighter. Israel's F-35I Adir is more than a stealth jet. It's a predictive, learning platform that marks the beginning of AI-driven warfare. By combining American engineering with Israeli adaptability, the Adir has become the most intelligent fighter on Earth. While U.S. F-35s remain powerful, Israel's version operates with tomorrow's technology today. It learns, adapts, and evolves, making it not only the Middle East's most formidable weapon, but also a glimpse into the future of air combat.